Just want to show you something, guys. Check this out. Check out the view. Wow. Amazing. Also, check this out. You guys, welcome back. I'm EDC Gunner. You're watching the EDC Watches channel, and just wanted to share some footage I filmed while I was traveling across the Austrian Alps, across from Innsbruck to across Tyrol, and right now I'm in Bregenz, but just wanted to share some footage. I thought it was amazing and magnificent. And one thing, video and pictures don't do it justice, because in person, in real life, it looks really huge and it's big. It's a magnificent experience, and if you get a chance, come and see. And for all of you, I know lots of you are from the United States, just wanted to share some of these magnificent, beautiful nature. Sorry there, I was interrupted. Just wanted to share some footage I filmed on the Austrian Alps, and I hope you guys will like it. And here I am in Austria. This is a Bregenz. It's called Bregenz, this little town. And I'm gonna, later on today, I'm gonna go and explore, try to find some watches. I did went to the watch store in the mall, and I filmed some footage, but it's gonna be for the short. I saw interesting Rado Captain Cook, so I'm happy. Enjoy the footage.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the